students, I welcome all of you for this most awaited video, that is MCQs on electronic media. Let's see what are the most possible questions on this section which is prescribed for our second year syllabus. The first one: which of the following items should have a proper beginning, middle and end? Options are featured articles, B. messages, C. business cards, and D. all of these. And the correct answer is featured articles. WhatsApp is an example of which kind of app? Options are gaming app, B. messaging app, C. banking app, or D. shopping app. As we are all familiar with WhatsApp, you should be also familiar with its apps type, and that is no other than messaging apps. Next question: which of the following is eye-catching and effective way of communication? Options are messaging apps, news column, e-browser, and D. blogs. The correct answer is e-browser. Next question: the fundamental or the fundamentals of writing for electronic media includes A. focus on language ability, B. precise description, C. ethical and plagiarism-free writing, and D. all of these. What should be the principles or fundamentals of writing for electronic media? And the correct answer is all of these. Means you should have a focus on language ability, you should be very precise in your description, and you should follow ethical and plagiarism free writing too. Next question: creative writing and innovative ideas are required for which kind of writing? Options are email, B. news articles, C. business cards, and D. advertisements. And the correct answer is advertisement requires creative writing and innovative ideas. Which of the following is an online journal or informational website? You should be very careful while answering this type of question, because all these MCQs are based on our textbook which is prescribed by our parent university. Options are email, B. business cards, C. blogs, and D. none of the above. And the correct answer is blog. Blog is to be considered as an online journal or informational website. What is the meaning of OER, or what is the long form of OER? Options are Open Education Resources, B. Open Engineering Resources, C. Open Educational Resources, and D. Only Education Readers. As we should be familiar with OER, because that will improve our quality of teaching as well as learning. So the correct answer is Open Educational Resources, that is OER. Next question: which of the following material can be used, reused, transferred, improved, or redistributed? And the options are news column, B. OER, that is Open Educational Resources, C. e-browser, and D. email. The correct answer is OER, that is Open Educational Resources, which can be used or reused or transferred, improved under a special provision for educational purpose. Content for describing objects or products or commodities are used for marketing the product, B. blog writing, C. news columns, and D. email. The correct answer is marketing the product. Obviously, it is a marketing strategy, and you have to develop that kind of a content which will fulfill the marketing strategies. Next, writing for electronic media should be plagiarism free, B. duly credited, C. both A and B, and D. none of these. Plagiarism free is strongly needed whenever you are writing for electronic media, and if you are borrowing ideas from other sources, then they should be duly credited. So the correct answer is both A and B, that it should be plagiarism free as well as it should be duly credited to the owner. Television is an example of A. print media, B. electronic media, C. social media, and D. none of these. The correct answer is electronic media. Television comes under the broad category of electronic media. Next question. Which are useful for sending files, videos, images, and text messages easily? Options are in front of you. A. gaming apps, B. messaging apps, C. banking apps, and D. shopping apps. Obviously, the most easy and frequently used or a popular kind of app which are used for sending files, videos, images, and text messages in today's world is no other than messaging apps. Open education resources are used for which kind of purposes? OER is used for which kind of purposes? Options are A. teaching, B. learning, C. research, and D. for all these purposes, that is all of these, and the correct answer is all of these. Obviously, OER is used in all these processes, that is teaching, learning, as well as research. Next question. Which is the term used to describe a non-fiction movie that in some way captures reality? Be careful while understanding this question. Which of the following term is used to describe a non-fiction movie that in some way captures reality? And the options are, the different types of medias are provided in the option. One is blog, second documentary, C e-browser, and D email. And the correct answer is documentary. Documentary is the term which is used to capture the reality. Next question. Which is the dominant and the fastest growing media in today's world? Options are electronic media, B. print media, C. both, and D. none of these. We are talking about the most growing or the fastest growing media in today's digital world, the world which is ruled by mobile and digital technology. So obviously the answer is no other than electronic media. Electronic media is more dominant in comparison to print media. Next question. A news column should give the reader what kind of information? The options are A. adequate, B. timely information, C. helpful and comprehensive information, or whether it should be an information which can fulfill all the parameters? The correct answer is all of these. So it should be that kind of information which is timely presented, as well as it should be adequate and trustworthy. Next question. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, we are all familiar with this nowadays buzzwords are there. And so Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn are examples of which kind of medias, or which kind of, you can say, the social media, whether it is messaging apps, business apps, social media or blogs. You have to keep into mind that Facebook is different in comparison to WhatsApp, because Facebook is treated as social media, whereas WhatsApp is categorized under messaging app. So don't get confused in case of Facebook and WhatsApp. Next question. Which plays a crucial role in the success story of a business or organization? Options are A. Messaging apps, B. Web content, C. Banking apps, and D. News columns. The correct answer is web content, because web content is something that really describes the product as well as give additional information about the product as well as the company or organization. So web content plays a very vital role or crucial role in case of the success story of a business. Next question. Documentaries are often used to reveal which kind of topics? Okay, so we have to give an answer in the form of topics. What kind of topics are discussed in general in case of documentaries? Options are A. Unusual topics, B. Interesting topics, C. Unknown angle, and D. All of these. Which topics are covered under the category of documentaries? And the option is all of these. Documentaries are generally based on unusual, interesting, as well as unknown angle of known topics also. So all these parameters are required for making a documentary. Next, there are how many types of documentaries are there? There are diverse types of documentaries. You have to keep into mind the number of these types of documentaries, and the correct answer is 8. There are 8 types of documentaries